ground is hard. Oh man. Oh no. Oh, he's getting away. Oh, how about that? This guy was a tough one. So I've been out here. I saw this guy working. I walked up and saw how fresh the ground was. And I knew that he had been working just a little bit ago. So I waited around and then I set my camera up and he actually moved about a foot away. And I saw the worm actually crawling away on the ground. I tried to pick the worm up, put it back over it so he would start moving again. But then all at once he stopped. I got a phone call from my son and I walked away, took that, came back, and I seen a fresh new place in the same run that he had been working. I was here Saturday morning, and right through this area, kind of like from a molehill to a molehill, he had a little path. Well, he just ventured out of that path. How about that? Well, come on people, summer's coming. Let's catch some moles. God bless you all from the MOLiminator.